Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name is Matthew Kidman, and today we have Justin Braitling from Watermark and Julian Beaumont from Bennelong, and we're talking travel, leisure and pleasure. Let's go with travel. Julian, Qantas, been terrific. Buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, sell. Conditions are really good in the industry and it's doing really well in terms of profitability, but it's a tough and cyclical business, and that's going to be its ultimate demise.
It's been flying, Justin. Buy, hold or sell?
It's a hold. I think the stock will probably drift higher. The environment is very supportive, but it's incredibly cheap on a global basis. Just always keep that in the back of your mind. Qantas is very cheap compared to its international peers.
Okay, let's get a bit of leisure on. Crown Resorts, been a lot of changes. Buy, hold or sell?
It's come back a long way. It is a quality portfolio. It doesn't have a lot of growth. There's scope for capital management, so it's probably a buy here.
Crown Resorts, do you like that? Big changes, management and operations.
Yeah, hold. Capital management story is attractive, particularly in selling off the offshore assets and milking the existing domestic assets. But after all, the domestic assets are pretty slow growth, and that's not really exciting to us, so hold.
Doesn't get better than poker machines when it comes to leisure. Aristocrat, buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, it's done really well, but there's more to go there. Really good products and good pipeline. Augurs well for the current momentum in the business. They've just recently upgraded their numbers, but also good visibility on the foreseeable future. Killing
the United States, biggest market in the world. Aristocrat, buy, hold or sell?
It's done incredibly well. I'd be a bit cautious. I think their ship shares getting very high here, particularly in the US. The casinos don't like to see any vendor get beyond a certain share. So I think it's getting closer to the end of the game here, but they've done a wonderful job.
Okay, let's go to pleasure. Treasury Wines, buy, hold or sell?
So I think Treasury Wine is probably a hold here. It has done very well. Demand out of China has been very strong, and you're clearly seeing a resurgence there, an uplift in activity as we get past the anti-grafter campaign. So I think it's a buy, a hold.
It's got great brand names going very well, especially in Asia. Buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, buy. I think China continues to live and they'll build that out further, same in the US. And it's been a really well-managed turnaround that has more to play out.
Okay, let's go with a stock that's got a bit of travel, a bit of pleasure, a bit of leisure. Harvey Norman, buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, always a tough one here. The market's pretty negative on the stock, particularly as the potential for the housing sector to roll over and its core retail function to play down. But I think that's all in the price, so hold.
Go, Harvey, go. Justin, buy, hold or sell?
I'd agree with Julian. It's a hold here, and the stock's come back. Actually had a very strong result. And I don't think the cycle's going to roll over as quickly as the sceptics would suggest.
There you go. Don't indulge in too much travel, leisure or pleasure when it comes to the share market.